Okay, hello everyone. Today we are gonna present our research about sentiment analysis of Twitter posts using Next.js, Supervector Machine, and Random Forest. My name is Mr. Nicolasi and my partner is Kevin. Next. This is our agenda today. We're gonna talk about abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. Next. Okay, for the abstract, the review of the paper on Twitter sentiment analysis algorithms using Random Forest, Supervector Machine, and Next.js is presented. The comparison in terms of accuracy and F1 score was based on a Kaggle dataset. While SVM and random forest were found to be more accurate, they also proved to be power and time-consuming during training. On the other side, NetBS is faster but less accurate. Though computationally more demanding, SVM and random forest are still preferred due to their accuracy and capability of noise handling, making them most efficient for sentiment analysis applications. Next. Okay, for introduction, Twitter forms a very crucial platform for businesses and content creators with over 300 million active users. To understand the pulse of public opinion, the content can be calibrated to engage audience based on Twitter sentiment. The present research classifies the tweets as positive, neutral, or negative by employing various algorithms like random forest, NetBayes, and supervector machine. Random forest strikes a balance between model complexity and performance. SVM raises noisy data, and FPS is efficient and easy. These papers show help improve methodologies related to sentiment analysis and the effectiveness of such classifier. Next. Okay, for the literature review, according to the past research, Stewati has proved that SVM had an accuracy rate of 88% in Twitter data sentiment analysis, while NetBayes reached as high as 75%. Further research confirmed that supervector machine and random forest are very accurate and robust in sentiment analysis on social media. Next. Okay, for the methodology, this paper employs quantitative research methods whereby accuracy and sentiment classification is assessed using a dataset obtained on Kaggle. The columns available in the dataset are tweet ID, entity, sentiment, and tweet content. It has two subsets, training and validation. Preliminary data pre-processing was done by removing duplicates and null values. The irrelevant columns used were entity and tweak ID. Later, the textual data was tokenized, stopped, and finally stamped to enhance the quality and relevance for modeling. The three machine learning algorithms chosen for their effectiveness in sentiment analysis are Bayes, supervector machine, and random forest. Bayes makes use Bayes theorem in calculating class probabilities. It is efficient for its case with large data sets. SPM identifies the optimal hyperplanes in feature space. This method is robust to noise and non-linearity. Random forest ensembles decision trees, and such predictions are combined by their assembling methodology via majority voting to improve accuracy and avoid overfitting. The implementation will be done using the Python library scikit-learn, extracting features from tweet content and training models on the training dataset. In respect to this, evaluation metrics such as accuracy and F1 score are used in assessing the performance of the model on the validation set. This comparative analysis is thus held on arriving at the best algorithm classifying sentiments on Twitter to improve methodologies on sentiment analysis. Next.
Okay, as shown in the table, the training times of model is different, with naive Bayes as the fastest with 1 second, followed by random forest with 5 minutes and 2 seconds, lastly SVM with 42 minutes and 49 seconds. In sentiment analysis, the runtime difference among naive Bayes, random forest, and VM are directly linked to their algorithmic complexity. Naive Bayes work efficiently and quickly by using simple probabilistic calculation and assuming features are independent. Random forest, however, takes longer because it builds multiple decision trees, which require extensive data processing and analysis. SVM is the slowest of the three due to its complex quadratic optimization process, especially challenging with large dataset and nonlinear patterns needed to find the best separation for data points. This difference highlights how the way algorithms handle data impacts their speed and efficiency in sentiment analysis. Next. Okay, next. As shown from the table, We can see the accuracy and F1 score have correlation in our testing. SVM is the highest accuracy and F1 with 0.659, followed closely by random forest with 0.955, and in the last place is knife bias with 0.829. The difference in accuracy among SVM, random forest, and knife-based questionnaire can be attributed to their unique features in sentiment analysis. SVM performs exceptionally well in complex dataset and high-dimensional space by finding optimal hyperplane for classification. Random forest boosts accuracy by combining multiple decision trees to capture complex relationships and prevent overfitting. In contrast, naive bias struggle with complex data relationship because it assumes features are independent, which may not always be true in real-world data. So, in general, SVM and random forest classifier achieve better accuracy compared to naive bias by effectively handling intricate patterns and relationships in sentiment analysis tests. Next. Okay, so the conclusion is three machine learning methods are used in the paper to analyze the sentiments of Twitter comments. This work concludes that although NiceBayes has the quickest training time, it also has the lowest accuracy, which makes it less appropriate for intricate sentiment data analysis on large datasets such as Twitter comment data. However, SVM and random forest provide better accuracy and performance metrics. Despite random forest greater runtime, SVM slightly outperforms in it in terms of overall performance. This finding suggests that while requiring more competition, SVM and random forest are great for accurate opinion categorization in scenario like Twitter comment records where high precision as well as high noisy data tolerance are needed. Next, that's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention.